Alam mo, baka blessing in disguise yung taong nawala sa'yo. Kasi not everyone you lose is a loss. Hi, it's me again, it's Ding Dong, and welcome again to another Random Thoughts. At first, masakit. Pero kapag nakapag-distance ka na, mas mararamdaman mo na peace pala yun, tama pala yun. Not everyone who walks out of your life is a tragedy. Some of them had to leave you para makahinga ka, para gumaan. Sometimes, your healing starts when they walk away. Magsisimula lang yung healing kapag wala na sila sa buhay mo. Huwag mong isiping iniwan ka nila para masaktan ka. Iniwan ka nila para may lugar sa mas bagay sa'yo. Kasi not everyone you lose is a loss.